Welcome to a journey where we explore the giant wheat harvesting machines revolutionizing agriculture in Europe and the US. These machines we're about to see are not only changing the way we harvest, but also maximizing productivity and efficiency across immense fields. This is one of the most modern wheat harvesters in use today, commonly found across countries like the US and Europe. With a cutting width of up to 13 meters and its ability to work non-stop, these machines can harvest hundreds of hectares of wheat in just a few hours. Can you imagine? A machine like this can harvest up to 60 tons of wheat per hour. At this speed, vast fields in places like Kansas or Normandy are harvested in record time, freeing thousands of farmers from labor-intensive work. These machines come equipped with the most advanced technologies, from precise GPS navigation to moisture sensors and automated adjustment systems, ensuring the wheat is harvested at the perfect time, maintaining its quality and minimizing waste. These machines aren't just powerful on flatlands. In Europe, where hilly terrains are common, their track systems and special suspension technology allow them to operate effortlessly, regardless of the landscape. These machines don't just help farmers increase productivity, they also reduce operating costs significantly. By cutting labor needs and optimizing harvesting time, they help lower production costs while ensuring the wheat is harvested at its highest quality. With the rise of agricultural robotics and artificial intelligence, future harvesting machines will be even smarter, fully automated, more precise, and seamlessly integrated with smart farm management systems. That's the future of farming in the coming years. These giant wheat harvesters are transforming agriculture in Europe and the US, helping optimize productivity and crop quality. If you found this video interesting and want to learn more about cutting-edge agricultural technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And there you have it. These giant wheat harvesters are reshaping the agricultural landscape in Europe and the US, turning what was once an exhausting process into a highly efficient, tech-driven operation. From cutting-edge technology to impressive speed and scale, these machines are the future of farming. If you're fascinated by how technology is revolutionizing agriculture, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Drop a comment below on what you'd like to see next. Until next time, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.